One of the problems of having a really nice looking vehicle from the outside is that it's going to get a lot of attention, which may not necessarily be something you want to do. Vantura has made this van in its corporate colours, in this orange and black. I think it looks quite stunning. But now we're going to have a look inside it, and so what can I tell you about it? It's comfortable and classic for a couple. Well, that's what it says. It has got, why is that up there? Who knows? Oh, I know. It's meant to be a place to carry things. You can put it down, you can put things on top of it. So this comes out like this, I think. I'm trying to do this one hand. I should really be doing it with two. That'll drop down like that. And, don't know. I don't know what you put up there. Maybe a kid's. So, Fiat Ducato, manual. We've got this table. And then we've got the chairs here, which can be separated if you don't want to be too close to the person you're next to. The table, fortunately, has got a leg, which is good. We have around here a compressor fridge, opens both ways. Very nice looking kitchen block, and two burners. It says here this is a new cooking module. Well, it is new, but everybody's using it. Right, you've got drawers there. Okay, right, now we've got the problem here. Why is the shower in the middle like this? Now, wouldn't that be a bit embarrassing? Well, it depends how you use it. It could be. But note, this is that there is here a place for, oops, you can put a curtain around here. Now the door, if I can do it, is the door. This door here will open. Sorry, I just can't do this with two hands, so you just have to go with me. But this will open, and it'll open up to make a much larger shower here. So instead of having something which is relatively small, as you can see here, it would come out be much bigger. The advantage here of doing it that way, which I'm sorry I can't demonstrate, is you can make a really big bed at the back in a 6-meter van. It's got a bed like a 636-meter van. So that is the point of making the shower a bit smaller, theoretically, but extending it into the corridor. I'm sorry I can't demonstrate. You've got steps up to the bed there. We'll see if we can get someone else to actually assist in a future video to give a bit of assistance with that. This is the problem of doing this all by myself. I need one hand for the camera. It says here from, note that price, from 60,000. This thing here doesn't cost 60,000. It's going to cost a lot more. Okay, there you've got the size inside here. This thing has diesel heating, so you've got a fuel tank anyway, so you're using that. Width 183, and you can say up to 181 in the other direction. And of course you can take that out at the front. You've got a stack of storage space at the back. You easily get bikes in here, particularly if you put the bed up, and as you can see, it goes up very easily. Lashing straps on the floor as well. Windows in the door, though I don't really like these windows. That's my opinion. So, comfort from Vantura. You can get actually it says here you can get a drop down bed as well, although I think they mean by that one of these ones that sort of goes up and down. Can of course get a tent in the roof. You might have also noticed that it's claiming up to 7 sleeping places. 7 sleeping places in a 6-meter camper van. I wouldn't bother with that. I think that's going well and truly over the top. There you go. There's a Vantura 600L in this colour. I've got another one here. We'll have a quick walk through it. So you can see you've got the beds being put up here. And that's what it looks like with a duckboard over the washroom. So you sort of use that as a lounger, as many people, well, Americans anyway, seem to comment on my channel about. So vario bad. So what's that? Vario changeable bad bathroom, and enormous door closed by magnets. It says here a 4-zone kitchen. I'm not certain what the 4 zones are. I can see a fridge, sink, cooker. Maybe it's the fourth zone is the drawers. I don't know. Good. Right. Thank you. Seen both. I do like this colour scheme though. Now this year there is Randga have come out with a kit to make it look as though your van is really old, and I find that quite interesting. Now a number of years ago, I think it was 2017, maybe it was 2018, I can't quite remember now, Citroen had a Pössl, I think it was, with or Clever Vans, with a body kit that made it look like a Citroen delivery van from the beginning of 1970s, end of 1960s, the sort of thing you've seen the French Connection too. I've seen plenty of them in that film, and that is the sort of I think it was very eye-catching. In fact, there was even one came into the workshop of the place that I work in Germany, and anyway, I think it looked very eye-catching, but everybody's going to talk about it and want to have a guided tour. And after it's happened about 50 times, you're going to get sick of it. At least in this case, people are just going to sort of admire it from the outside. And it might actually have some security implications as well. It might be more secure because thieves are less likely to steal from something which looks totally different. I don't know, it's just a theory. Maybe I'm completely wrong on that one. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. All the best. Bye for now.